Preeti here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then please subscribe to my channel, and people who already know me, then please enjoy watching this video. Today I'm here to share my experience with Lakme Academy powered by MTV Winked. And people who are not interested in watching my experience with MTV Winked, please you can forward this video where I've started with my Algeria makeup haul. So guys, first question arises, how did I enter into Lakme Academy powered by MTV Winked? So actually I saw many ads in Instagram, then also on Facebook. There were ads coming there to become the next makeup artist or a hairstylist, and I clicked on that link and I registered myself. I fixed a date, and today was the day when I went there. So today when I reached there, they handed over me a small form question of where there were almost like 5 to 6 questions. There were nothing, there was just like little information about yourself, that what is your name, your what is your qualification, then what do you think a makeup influencer is, are you a professional, and many questions like this. So we were given, there were no specific time for that to fill a form. Then after 5 to 10 minutes we were asked to move inside the workshop. After reaching to the workshop, we were asked to create a day makeup look, and we were also provided with makeup stuff and brushes and everything. But guys, if you are not comfortable in using their products, you can also bring your own products, because I was not knowing that we can also bring our own products. But I used whatever they gave me. I tried to create a look. So after my task was completed, I was asked to record a video and send it to a specified number. They gave me one number, and to that number we have to send. Now after that, they also asked me to take a picture with this mask. This is the mask. And then they gave me this participation certificate. And this is the look that I've created actually. Though after coming back home, I have removed my face makeup other than my eye makeup, because I wanted my skin to breathe and I wanted to record this video, so I reapplied everything whatever I created there. So that's it guys. Now moving on to next. So guys, I know I was not able to record any video because I was busy, I was traveling. So recently I went to Algeria, and from there I grabbed a lot of cosmetics. So this is basically a makeup haul. So without wasting much of time, let's get started. Okay. So the first product that I want to show you is this primer, and this is from Muda HD High, that is HD High Definition Mattifying Primer for Face and Eyes. And guys, today I am wearing this, and this is so nice. This is very nice. You know, when I applied it, my skin felt so smooth. This is awesome product, and this is just for 1400 dinar. It's written over here. This is only for 1400 dinar. That is equivalent to half of Indian price. That's almost equal to 700 rupees. So cheap. Okay, now moving on to next. So I got this highlighter, Ever Beauty So Glow All the Way, infused with 24 karat gold for face and body highlighter. This is C104 shade number. This is the shade. And I guess I got this for 1200 dinar, that is 600 rupees. And let me show you how does it look. Let me swatch this for you. So moving on to next. Okay, now this is my favorite. Okay, so this is my favorite thing that I got from there. I got this Nova. I don't know how do you spell it. I don't know how do you call it, but this is Nova, and this is made in Italy. It's a professional range, and this is actually a base illuminator. So let me just read out what it's written here. So this is actually a makeup base to illuminate the complexion, specially formulated to awaken dull skins and to make foundation last longer. This is exactly like a primer. So let me just show you. So this is how it looks. This is the packaging. It comes with a pump, and this is the shade. This is the one that I've applied, and it brightened my hand from this portion. Okay, and this works as a primer as well. So yeah, this was for 2000 dinar, that is almost equivalent to 1000 rupees. So now moving on to next. So I got this Muda matte finish anti-shine makeup fixing spray. And this is made in Turkey, and the price for this is 1100 dinars, that is almost equal to 450 rupees. How sasta it is. So in Algeria I could not find my foundation, as girls over there are very fair, and their skin tone is, their undertone is also different. So I could not find my skin tone, nor I could find my undertone. So really I could found this BB cream. Okay, and this is from Golden Rose BB Cream Beauty Balm, and this is SPF 25, instantly perfect looking skin, and this actually matched my skin tone. Okay, so and this was for again 1100 dinars, that is 650 rupees. Then moving on to next, I bought one eyeshadow plus blush palette. This is 13 color kit. So we have here 13 shimmer eyeshadows, and in middle we have a blusher. This is how it looks, guys. And colors are really very pigmented. I have already swatched it, as you can see this one. These are different blue shades, and isn't it, they are very pigmented. So moving on to next palette, I got this matte and shimmer eye contour palette, nude eyeshadow palette. That's from Ever Beauty Cosmetics. This is from Ever Beauty Cosmetics, and I really love the packaging of this. From back, this is how it looks, and this have 12 new shades. This is what it says. So let me open this. This is the dabba, and it comes with this cover, and these are lovely color shades. As you can see, these are neutral shades that you can create with, and this is blue, such a nice shade, and a kind of brownish red shade. Okay, I really love this palette. It's all in one. So you have all the mattes and all the shimmers in this one palette. So these are the shades. Moving on to next, then I also grabbed this makeup sponge. I'm really sorry, I have used this, and I am going to wash this after finishing this video. So I got this for 200 dinars, that's only for 100 rupees, And yes, this palette I got for 1400 dinars, that is 700 rupees. And look at the colors, they are so pigmented. I really love this palette. So this is the next product that I've got. This is actually an adhesive for an eyelash. We do get this in India, but I really want it there because I forgot to carry my own eyelash glue. So and this was for 150 rupees only, and this is how it looks. And it says eyelash adhesive waterproof, and it's clear white. Now next thing that I got was a Garnier micellar water, and this bottle we don't get in India, and this is like 400 ml, and total uses are 200 uses, and it's for delicate skin and eyes. Yes, my skin is very delicate, so I really wanted this. Okay, and I got this for 1400 dinars, that is 700 rupees. So that's it. And also these makeup cotton pads that you get in India are so expensive. There I got this for like just 60 rupees, and they are like 80 cotton pads inside this. Very cheap. And India we get this for 150 rupees, and the quality is also very good. And India we get like for I think more than 100 rupees, but I like this. So I'm also going to show you. I'm going to wipe this off. You just have to keep it like this. Okay, clear. Okay, next thing that I got was really super cute. These two cute nail polishes, and these are only for 50 rupees, that is 100 dinars. I love the shades and I'm gonna use them. So that's it guys, I hope you really enjoyed this makeup haul from Algeria. If you really like this makeup haul and my experience with Lakme Academy powered by MTV Winked, then do like this video. And people who are new here, please do subscribe to my channel. That's it guys, keep waiting for my next video. My next video will be coming soon. I am going to recreate this makeup look that I have created for MTV Winked. So keep watching, stay tuned, bye bye.